Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the scientific notation. Now what is the meaning of the scientific notation? You all know that in chemistry we are dealing with the very large numbers or very small numbers. Now when we are dealing with the very large or very small numbers in the chemistry like atomic radius or Avogadro's constant, every time it is very difficult to like these small numbers with putting 0.0000 in this way, or large numbers that after the number there will be many zeros on the right hand side. It is very tedious to write all these numbers in a detailed form or use it in the practical, in the calculations. It is also very difficult. So that we are converting these long numbers in the short form. That short form is known as scientific notation or exponential form. For example, here I have taken the example of scientific notation for that Avogadro constant. You all know that 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles, that you already have learned. But now this number, if we are not writing in the scientific notation or exponential form, then you are getting 602213700 000 and 000. These many zeros we have to add to write this number in detail. For that purpose, it is very difficult to write, right? For every practical calculation or theoretical calculation, we are not able to write this number in detail. Therefore, we are converting it in the exponential form like 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. Now, this exponential form is very convenient to use for the practical and theoretical calculation. Now let us see what is exponential form, how we can convert a number in a scientific notation, so that we will go through different examples and you will understand how we can obtain the scientific notation for a given number. Now here the general form for the scientific notation is capital N into 10 raised to small n, where the small n indicate the exponent having positive or negative values, while capital N is the digit term. It may be a number between 1.000 and 9.999. This way we are getting the capital N value. Now let us see with the example how can we convert the given number in the scientific notation. Now for that purpose I have taken one example, 138.42. Now to convert this number in a scientific notation, I have to shift this decimal point to the left hand side, right? I am shifting this decimal point to the left hand side until there will be one non-zero digit before the decimal point. Okay, until there will be one non-zero digit before the decimal point. For that purpose, I have shifted first here, then from 8 to 3, and here after 3 there is a 1. So I am going to put here this decimal point after 1 and writing this number in this way. Now when I shifted one digit over here, the decimal point, then I am writing it as a multiply by 10. Again one digit to the left hand side, again I have shifted, then I am writing 2 times 10. Right? Now this 2 times 10 indicate that we are getting the value of n is equal to 2. So 1.3842 into 10 raised to 2. This way I can convert it into the scientific notation. This n value is 2 because I have shifted the decimal point here after the 2 digit. The decimal point is I have placed, and therefore I have written here 2. Now do remember, when we are shifting the decimal point to the LHS, always n value will be positive. When we are shifting the decimal point towards LHS, always n value will be positive. And how many digits we have shifted the decimal point, that will be the value of the n. Got my point clear to everyone? When we are shifting decimal point to the LHS, always the value of exponent will be positive. And how many digit we have shifted it towards the left hand side, those many digits are the exponent value, that is n value we are getting. If you are shifting 2 digits, then n is equal to 2. If you are shifting 3 digits to the left hand side, then n is equal to 3. But here values will be positive 2, positive 3. In this way you will get. Now consider the second example. The second example is 0.013842. Now I want to change it into the scientific notation. For that purpose, I will, so from this 0 here, I have shifted 1 digit, then again 1 more digit, so decimal point will be coming over here. So I can write this number in this way now. Okay, and I am shifting to right hand side. So when I am shifting to right hand side, it indicates that this is divided by 10. So 2 digit I have shifted, so 2 times I am writing here 10 into 10. So 1.3842 divided by 10 into 10 indicates that the number can be written in the scientific notation as 1.3842 into 10. Now these two tens I am taking up. So it will be 10 raised to 2, but the negative sign will be associated with this. So do remember, when you are shifting a decimal point toward the right hand side, how many digit you have shifted the decimal point, that will be your exponent value. And when you are shifting it towards the right hand side, the value of n will be negative. Got my point clear? So here RHS we are shifting, so value of n will be negative. So I have shifted here 2 digit towards the RHS, that is why here the exponent value is negative 2. Now some more examples we will do over here. Now here 0.0046, we have to convert this number in the scientific notation. For that purpose, I will shift this decimal point 1, 2 and 3 digits, right? So after 4 I am going to place this decimal point. So it will be 4.6. Okay. Now I am moving towards the right hand side. As I am moving towards the right hand side, the exponent value will be negative. How many digits I have shifted to right hand side? 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 10 raised to minus 3. Now the second number 977000. Now here I am going to place decimal point after this 0 and I will put 0. So that it is convenient for me to see the shifting of the decimal point. Now I will shift this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits over here. And I am going to put the decimal point between 9 and 7. So it will be 9.770. Okay, if I am not writing 0, nothing matters. I will write it in the exponential form. So how many digits I have shifted towards the left hand side, that I have to check. And as I am going to shift towards the left hand side, that exponent will be positive. How many digits I have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will be 10 raised to positive 5, right? As I have shifted towards the left hand side. Now the next number 0.000166. Again I have to convert this number in the scientific notation. So shift the decimal point 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits over here. Between 1 and 6 I am going to place the decimal point. As I have moved towards the right hand side, therefore the value of exponent is negative. How many digits I have shifted the decimal point? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be 10 raised to minus 4. Right? The next number is 1008. For my sake of convenience, I am going to place here 0.0, right? So that how I am shifting the decimal point, that I can understand, also you can understand. So 1, 2 and 3, right? So I have shifted the decimal point between 1 and 0. So I am going to place this decimal point between 1 and 0. So writing the number in this way 1.008. As I have moved towards the left hand side, the decimal point is shifted towards the left hand side, I will write the exponent positive, right? The exponent, that is value of small n, will be positive. How many digits it is shifted? 1, 2 and 3 digits. So it will be 1.008 into 10 raised to 3. I hope, student, you are clear how to write the scientific notation. If you find this video is helpful for your studies, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.